Now, the Central Bank of Kenya has announced the resumption of charges for transactions above 100 shillings effected through banks' mobile money wallets that are closely linked to the savings and credit society sector. The CBK says the resumption of the charges will be subject to review by CBK against the pricing principles announced on December the 17th last year of customer centricity, transparency and disclosure, fairness and equity, choice, competition and affordability. These principles were introduced on the expiry of the emergency measures waiving charges for low-value mobile money person-to-person transactions below 1,000 shillings. Other measures on the waiver of charges between mobile money wallets and bank accounts remain in force.